Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, I'm going to show you the difference between insert and overtype. These are commonly confused keyboard modes, and if your keyboard mode changes between insert and overtype unexpectedly, you might not be sure what's going on, and this is a common support call. I have a file open, and at the bottom in my status bar, you see that currently it says INS. This means that currently my keyboard is in insert mode. And if I type any text, that text gets inserted in front of the text that already exists there. However, if I press the insert key to toggle INS to OVR to turn on overtype mode, when I type now, you'll see that my text will overwrite the text that is already there. And so this is the basic difference between insert and overwrite. By pressing my insert key once more, I'll toggle back to insert mode, and you see that it says INS in the bottom right. And you see that now I have inserted text in front of my existing text. However, if I toggle insert again, it changes to OVR. And you see that I'm able to overtype existing text instead. If you don't see an insert or INS key on your keyboard, you can also toggle insert and overtype through the menus in Eclipse. Simply go to Edit, Insert, and you see that there's an option for Insert Overtype Mode. If I click this button, you see that it changes back to Insert. And if I go back to Edit, Insert, Insert Overtype Mode, and click it again, it toggles back to OVR. And so even if you don't have a full-size keyboard with all of the keyboard options, you're still able to use the insert function if you need to. Or if it gets changed mistakenly, you can always access it to change it back under the Edit menu. Thank you for watching this video. As a reminder, Advantage Software offers anytime support 24/7. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thanks so much and have a great day.